So in today's video, I have an exciting summer Rihoas fashion haul. I have a lot of new pieces that they brought out for summertime, so these are brand new. I always say this is my new favorite Rihoas haul, but I'm not kidding you. I feel like every time I do a Rihoas haul, it becomes like my new favorite. So yeah, this one is like my new favorite. I do collaborate with Rihoas, and they always send me like their new clothing collection and the new pieces that they have, and I'm always excited to collaborate with them because every time I collaborated with them, I am never disappointed. The quality pieces is really good, but at the same time they're very affordable, so that's the reason why I really love Rihoas. So this video is in collaboration with Rihoas. It is not sponsored, and please guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys ever tried anything from Rihoas. I know Rihoas is becoming super popular right now. It's kind of like a European French style fashion, and it's more like classic and timeless, so that's the reason why I really love them. And again, like I said, the quality pieces is just so good that I absolutely love it. I always look forward to getting their new pieces. So before we begin, guys, if this is your first time watching, please make sure that you click that subscribe button, and also if you like this type of content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm. It also pushes my video to other viewers, and it would really help me grow my channel, so I would really appreciate it. And share this video if you enjoy watching it and you want to share with your friends and family. I'm gonna get right into it, starting off with this top right here. So this is like a button-up top, but I really love this one because it's very unique. It's not like your regular button-up top. This is a really beautiful breathable linen material. Really love it because of the sleeves. It's very unique. It has like this little I guess like it's more cinched in here, but it's not like fitted on me. It still has a lot of space, but it has like this really nice poofy sleeves. And then the reason why I really love about this button up top is that you see the buttons right here, but then it has this little panel that conceals it, so you don't see the buttons. I really love the fact that it's like really nice and long. It does cover up my bum. If you do want to wear this with leggings, you can. So breathable, perfect for the summertime. And they do have these shorts with it. If I didn't mention, I did get this in the medium and also the shorts. So this does not come in a set. You do have to buy them separately, but I got the shorts as well. I could not pass them up. They're so pretty and very unique. I like the fact that they're a little bit more longer than your like average shorts. I don't like short shorts. I like them to be kind of like this length, and I just love this. This is a paperback style shorts. It is again linen, has like a really nice breathable material. It has the shorts on the outside, so this is very unique. The shorts, you see that it is on the outside. That was really nice and very unique. It does have the drawstring. These are adjustables. There are working drawstring. I love this color. I think this is such a beautiful like mint color. Yeah, I really love this. This you don't obviously have to wear together because they are not a set. You can wear it and mix and match, and that's the reason why I love this, because I honestly am planning on wearing this together, kind of like a monochromatic look. The cool thing about these shorts is that they are lined. I actually did not expect that, but these are fully lined, so it's not going to be see-through whatsoever, because with colors like this, sometimes they tend to be see-through, especially for it being like a really nice light linen material, but this is not, and I think they really know what they're doing when it comes to their clothing pieces. So highly recommend this. And one thing I do want to mention, guys, I don't remember the prices on these, but I will put the prices here. Also put the prices in the description box along with the links. So just know, guys, all the links, if you're interested in anything, they will be linked down below in the order that I'm going to show you. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I have to mention this, guys. Just know I also have a coupon code to save some extra cash. Moving on to the rest of the items. The rest of the items are all dresses. I wanted to get some dresses, especially for the summertime, and I was just really excited because this time around they brought out a lot of beautiful dresses, and I was just so eager to try them. So the first one being is this one right here. Now I know this color kind of looks more like an autumn color, but it definitely is a summer. Now you can definitely transition with this in the fall time, but I wanted to wear this for the summertime because it is such a gorgeous dress. This is a over the shoulder dress. It does have the poofy, beautiful sleeves like that. And I have to say, this is cinched in, but it's not uncomfortable. It's not tight. It feels perfect. This is a one size fits all dress. It says that it fits sizes 0 to 8. So just keep that in mind. I would definitely say that it is true to size. I really love this. I just thought this was so pretty. It looks very expensive. It has like a really beautiful, like brownish auburn color, and then it's mixed in with this beautiful like darker nude. I love the fact that right here it's cinched in. It's so romantic and beautiful, but then it flows down. I absolutely love dresses like this, guys. I honestly feel like the most feminine, really beautiful in dresses like this. I like to dress like this because it does honestly remind me of my mom as well. My mom is what inspired me since I can remember, since I was like a little girl. My mom inspired me to like love fashion, and it wasn't so much like her talking about it, but it was the way she dressed. I love to go in her closet and try on her shoes. My mom is very like into dresses like me. I love my mom. My mom is one of my best friends, honestly. I love you. Really love the fact that it has the tie right here. It's like an extra little detail. So beautiful, guys. I highly recommend this. I think this is perfect to go to the beach. If you're gonna walk around the beach and you just want like a really beautiful dress, I highly recommend that one. This one I think is perfect for date night. Really nice piece. Now this one I would say looks very expensive. Like it looks like a high-end dress. People would think you spent a lot of money on this, and it just looks so good. I absolutely love this. So I got this dress right here, and it is a knit like stretchy material. Now even though it is knit, I would still say it's perfect for the summertime because it's more of a thin knit material. I thought I got it in a medium, but I actually got it in a size small. But you know what, now I remember the reason why I got in the small is because this is a knit stretchy material, and I want it to be more fitted on me. And usually with knit materials like this, I don't like to have like extra material gathering since I'm petite. So I got it in small. It fits amazing. It is more like a fitted dress, and I think it's more on the like sexy side. It's just so beautiful with some heels and maybe a clutch. You are ready to go. I love this design, and I just love like the white with the cream. So pretty, guys. On to another date night dress. This one actually has been on my wish list. They came out with this one probably like a month or two ago, and the moment I seen it, I was like, I know I have to pick this one up. This one is gorgeous, and it is this right here. So this is a really nice, classy, lacy black dress. I did get this one in a size medium, and it's really nice. The front right here is like a v-neck. I wanted to get in a medium to make sure I have like extra coverage, and so yeah, I'm glad I got in a medium. Still fits perfect, but the fact that it has like extra room right here, this also has a little bit of extra room. It flows down. I could have definitely got away with the small, but I'm totally fine with it. I love the fact that it does have the zipper down, so you can easily put it on and off. I really like this unique style bottom. So let me show you guys how it looks at the bottom. It's kind of like a V. You see that? So it's like super sexy, but classy at the same time. I like the opening in the front and in the back. That's why you can see it all the way through. I just think it looks like such a, I would definitely call it, if it's one word, I would definitely call it classy. Super classy. And I just love whenever I dress like this because it just makes me feel so good and it's so confident. This dress does it for me. I love the lace detail, the way it looks. And I like the fact that the sleeves are sheer, so it does bring in the sexy factor. Moving on to a dress that unfortunately does not fit me. I should have known better. I got this slip dress right here, and I did get this one in a size medium because I seen it on the model and I seen the fact that this is smocked. I thought it was gonna work out for me since it's smocked right here, so it has like extra stretch. But this does not fit me. It is so tight up here, like there's no way I can close it. It does have the zipper that goes all the way down in the back, but once I try to put it on and like zip it up, it is height. If you're heavy on top like me, size up. I should have got this in the large because this has no stretch whatsoever, but it is such a beautiful, beautiful summer dress. I do want to get this one in a size large, so I'm gonna have to exchange it for a large. This is definitely a winner of a dress. I've been looking for a dress like this with the color blue and the florals. Look at that, guys. It is everything. It is beautiful, and I like the slit in the front right here. It's on the left side. The reason why I really love this is that it's not too high. I don't like slip dresses like this. It goes all the way up the thigh. This one is just perfect. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to get in the large, but other than that, it's great quality, perfect for the summertime. It does have like this tab right here where you could tie a little tighter. Super gorgeous. Last dress that I have for you guys, this again has been on my wish list. I should have sized up on this as well in the size large because there's no stretch to this as well. Again, I did get this in the medium thinking that this might help me since I'm heavy on top, but it does not. It is still really tight. So that's my only regret, because other than that, this dress is absolutely stunning. It is so beautiful, very feminine. If you're looking for a really beautiful like gardening, picnic, tea party, girly feminine floral dress, you need this one. This is so pretty. These are slightly sheer, and then it cinches in at the wrist, and then it does zip down. I think it has a slit. Yeah, so it does have a slit right here on the left side. It is lined. This print is absolutely gorgeous. It's just so feminine, and look at that, guys. If you love florals like me, you're gonna love this. This is just so pretty. I'm just bummed it doesn't fit, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to exchange this for a large as well. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're heavy on top, size up. These have no stretch. Moving on to the accessories, I did get some accessories from them. First off is this one right here. This is brand new from their collection, and I just thought this was super cute. Honestly, it does give me kind of like if I'm going to Italy and walking around, it does give me those vibes. This is so adorable, and I think it was only like $20. Super affordable. This is brand new for the summertime. Very appropriate because it is like a straw hobo bag. It's have two straps. Now this is not adjustable. It stays like that, but I just think it's absolutely beautiful. The quality is really nice. And then moving on to the accessories. I did get quite a bit of accessories this time. First off is this one right here. And I just want to point out, I love how they package their stuff. So they do package it in this like little box. Sometimes they package it differently depending on the item. But anyways, I did want to get this. This has been really trending lately. So I wanted to pick up this like hair clip. It's with pearls. It's clear. They do have another style as well like this. But I just got this, and I just thought it was super cute. Again, honestly, I think it's like, I don't know, probably like $4 or so. It's super cheap. And then I also got this hair tie that I thought was adorable. I just thought this was super cute. Now if you guys don't know, I wear my hair up most of the time, especially in the summertime. I don't like to feel hot, especially the fact that I have super long hair. My hair grew quite a bit. It's like all the way down my back, and it just gets really hot. So I do put my hair up most of the time, but I do like to accessorize my hair. And I just thought this was really cute. It's a scrunchie with like a sheer bow. Very cute. Like imagine that. I can just like put it like that actually right now. And you could kind of see like the bow through. And then when people look in the back, you can like see the bow. It is so adorable. I think I'm going to leave that on. But so adorable. And I like the fact that those dangle down. Like the bow is just, ugh, I love it. So I have mine in like a bun. This one was only like a couple dollars as well. And then I got some jewelry. You guys know I had to get some jewelry. I'm going to take these off because I want to put these on. These are very unique earrings. I don't see these often. I actually haven't seen any style earrings like this. They're very modern, so they look like this right here. It just feels like water dripping. Like I would definitely call these like drip earrings. Looks like this, guys, and you just like pull it apart like that. Very easy to put it in. So it looks like this. Let me give you guys a close-up. It is so pretty, right? Look at this, so unique. I really love it. If you guys don't know, I'm a gold lover. I personally prefer gold over silver. Sometimes I do wear silver, but I love it. One thing I have to say from my personal experience with Rihoas, their jewelry pieces are really great quality. They have not tarnished on me. They don't hurt my ears. They don't itch or anything. So that is really good. And then moving on to this bracelet right here. This one says that it is stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about it tarnishing. It's like these gold beads. It's not really beads, they're more like metal, and then it has like a pearl detail right here. This is a bracelet, and I just thought it was so pretty and very like classy. It does have like a 2.5-inch extender on the list. This little metal tag, it does say stainless steel, and I just love the way this looks. Look at that, guys, so pretty and very classy. I love it. That's the reason why I love Rihoas. Like I said, their pieces are very classy. Got a necklace. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. So this again says that it is stainless steel. That way I don't have to worry about my jewelry tarnishing. So it looks like this, and I just thought it was such a unique piece. It does have like these little, do you see that? These little diamond looking pieces, and then it does have another layer. It's like really nice and shiny. It has like a 2-inch extender, and it does say again stainless steel. I think this is perfect for the summertime as well, because I feel like it will not overheat your neck. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, in the summertime I usually never wear necklaces because I feel like I'm like suffocating because of like anything on here. I feel like I can't breathe because it's too hot. I feel like this I could definitely wear because it's more of a dainty piece, so it's not gonna overheat me. This is so pretty and classy. I cannot wait to wear it. I like the fact that it's layered, so it's already ready for you. And look at that shine, guys. It just glistens. Both of these glisten in different ways, and I just feel like they did such a great job with this. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So when I seen it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to pick this up. This is one of their new collection for the summertime. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're not. It is free. Make sure you click that subscribe button right now. 70% of you guys that watch my video are not subscribed to my channel, which is insane. It is free, guys. Just click it. Anyways, until next time, remember, God bless. Ciao.